piece of Africa. It's an important milestone because it's really funny. Alright, baby. Can we do it for you?